No entries right now. Yo. Excuse me, I saw this. I saw this. I wanted to enter right here. Alright, there's this order block for value gap. Here, there's a perfect touch. And I saw a price about right here. I wanted to enter that, but I didn't. I did not. Getting some liquidity here. We got 25 minutes to the close. We got whole another hour to the next move. Prediction for these. My trip would actually be negative 105K. I definitely want to see price go down. Just look at the lower time frame. So then, if we just look at that 10 to the 2, this is the 2-hour markup. Low gap there. So we're gonna go for 15 from the 2. See what that got bid. Probably be a cool sell. I haven't sold gold in a while. If it gets back up and sell. Not in any trades right now. I do not want to make this an hour straight though. So let's review some other trades. I don't see the market even open. Nasdaq. This market open? Way down. Whoa. Okay, perfectly closed right there. Perfectly closed right where that's supposed to be. I wonder if this is really daily, how it's yellow. Let's see. Let's see nothing with these. Does it look like to be liquidity? Got some liquidity there. I probably won't be stretched no more. Let the double tap stay. Became a gap. Inverted. Gap. This is what we want. So we can really look at. Let's look at touch. It's not 50%. Yeah, it's about 50. We'll look at this one too. Mark this up, take it as it is. Back to the 15. Take that gap there. NASDAQ tracing. We're really going to wait till these notes to really see more of it. That for 5 news releases, that was pretty impactful. Maybe at that 1 minute, right? I ain't see much happening at all. This is all that happened. This is the news release. So I'm like a little bit more volatile than spin, but each day. Can draw no perfect trend line. Back on gold. I think we'll at least to market open. On 8. Right now it's only 740. I was gonna trade review. I would trade review the second video. Alright. Bitcoin low as hell. Bitcoin low as hell. I don't know how I got that motherfucker like that. She below, pull it back into 50. I don't see no FBG, brother. I gotta keep an eye on it. Doesn't go for Bitcoin. Might be on its way back up. Hit this low 50. High, lower high, higher high. Low, high. Broke that low. New lower low. But it's higher than this last high. Yeah, close below that. It's balanced price range right here. I did not close below. Looks like it hit 50%. Almost exact. Like that. Not enough for immediate entry, but we get rid of it. That probably just showed me direction of it. I want to see it up, uppity, up. You gotta do something more with this FPG. Liquidity here. Liquidity here. Got this strong gap right here. Not a gap, but range, balance range right there. It's an imbalance, but see 15 from that too. $15 and 2 hour. Oh, they got a gap together. I think I'm gonna mark that up. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna wait. I don't see updates, so let me get back on screen. Might be. Let's be looking at Bitcoin for 15 minutes. Maybe so. So this is the 2 hour. This is the 1 hour. I'm gonna try to leave my screen like this, but I'll be back at like 8:30ish, maybe before, so that happens. You see the time down here. So, like 1 or 2 candlesticks. I did move the chart a bit. Hope it looks the same. I did enter. I'm about to do something real quick. I'm looking at Bitcoin. I really like it, right? We marked up that bounce price range, and it went straight to it. Ooh, because I was looking for FUGs below. I don't know if I have any marked up. We have that one on the daily. We gotta see if that's respected. I gotta see how this 4 hour candle close. I like how it played into it. Didn't close halfway, right? Stayed above that 50%. Closed above, came back with. I like that. All channels, I like that. Look at that. Down to the 5, I like that. Y'all see me mark that up. Price played out. Gold ain't moving too much. I bought kind of high. I'm so mad to get it down here. That's very. I literally woke up at like here. Yeah, 6 a.m. Like I woke up right there and immediately looked at price and was just like, ooh. But at that point, I already hit here. I'm like, okay. I did not enter that one. Damn it. Y'all see price moved a little bit, came down, traced a little bit, came back up. I close that, take profit. Actually, I'm just put my SL on profit. Okay. So my SL's in profit. If it triggers there, it's going to be out. I'm also in GU. GU's not looking healthy. I like that retracement. I like how news is moving. But there's this website you can see the strength of certain currencies. I don't see what's going on. Well, I actually can just look at the Great British Pound now. Pound is down, that's why. The dollar. Japan, Euro. They all kind of did a similar path, except for gold. Gold went the other way. You see that? They all have like a wick above, shot down. Wick above, shot down. Wick above, shot down. Now look at gold. It's going to be a wick below, shot up. It's crazy. Not crazy, but like, if you know, you know. So it's starting to recover. Can't even tell what the dollar's trying to do right now. Maybe that wasn't the best for GU. I didn't even look at this before. Hopefully it tapped that order block right there. Is that a breaker? A little bit of a breaker, maybe? Not really, but kind of. I'm not gonna mark nothing up, but hopefully it wants to keep rising because I'm in that trade. negative. Gold still pushing up. We still got 30 minutes till this next drop, y'all. I'm doing some YouTube edits in the meantime. I did close this, close out of that. This one's negative, but look at it and keep y'all updated. This is what I get for being so hesitant today. Look how Bitcoin is just taking off from that touch, bro. That perfect touch. That's actually green, bro. That's green. Let's see if there's even a take profit. We could go for these highs here. That'd be fair. I don't know if I want to enter right now. Bro, right there, that'd be fair. We might wait to see how the 4-hour close. It's not gonna be till 10. So I set it for these highs here. This is another high you could go for. It's a 2.4. This would be about a 2.0-ish. Let's see, go for that doji. The doji right there. If I enter that. Not in it right now. Not in it. Let's go to 15. Maybe that would be an entry right here. If I was to take this, right? Probably should line it up from here. There we go. I'm gonna leave it there because what? Yeah, that's good. I like that. If it gets to this point, we'll enter that. But yeah, we'll just see what it does right now. We'll play right here. Maybe even setting, because this is just drawn up. Right? It's not actually trading. Right? So we'll set alert below, see what it wants to do. I love that, but we already missed the entry, so we might as well see what it wants to do now. If it wants to really confirm that or come back and play with it. There's more news dropping here soon that's going to affect Bitcoin still. We'll see what happens. Dog should have never closed gold. Gold is, oh my gosh, bro. I was trying to get an entry on gold last night, bro. I should have just waited till this morning. Dog, I can't believe I missed this motherfucking perfect entry at 6. Look at it. That motherfucker stretching. Stretching. Looking at it now. Yeah. I'm trying to damn. Well, everywhere we're gonna see what it do, what it is. I'll mark this up for later. Okay, don't get confused between these two, y'all. We're going to fast forward. See, gold still going up. I like the news drop. See, this way. That's why you really gotta pay attention to the news. Right, look at this. So these are both kind of negatives, right? This one's for manufacturing. This one's for services. Basically the same thing, right? But within it talks about how above 50 indicates expansion, right? Which is it's two versions of this report about a week apart. The flash and the final. So this is the flash. Actual still greater than forecast is good for currency. It's about even, a little bit more neutral. It was still below this negative, tied up with this one, which is red, right? Really negative. But if it was under 45, that's where it's going to really be negatively impactful. So gold right now, we might find another entry. GU, we're out. We'll see how long that takes. I kind of want to hold that for a long time. Bitcoin, it's doing its thing. Like where it's at. I might set this as the actual limit. We'll see because I want to get back in gold. Gold's ready for another buy. It's ready to just buy for the rest of the day. So any pullback, like that pullback we just had, it's good. You're just doing a buy tippity top. But gold is ready to buy at least this point here. Hopefully I can stretch this out straight. I can see gold in here. Alright, so this is closed right now open. I was gonna show you my current trades, but I don't want to log back in. Just do that. So day 3, y'all. This is the trades. This is trade during live news, which is kind of, I mean, for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus these 3, it looked hella uneventful, but I mean, bro, it's 9 a.m. This was 6 a.m. 5:45 a.m. In 3 hours, 15 minutes, gold shot up 56 whole dollars per ounce. That's damn near 5,000 pips. I mean, maybe like 500, but like still, like that's like 500 pips, y'all. So that's huge for us. May not look like much, but it was a lot that was going on. So it was slow. It took 3 hours, but at the same time, bro, like that's a lot of volume right there compared to like recently, right? Like so that's a lot, right? Like you can get a good entry, go with it. How you see that? Gold and US dollar move opposite ways, had negative, negative, kind of neutral, negative. Um, that one's New Zealand dollar, anyways, negative, negative. So we're like 4 negatives plus a tie towards negative. 2 positive, another negative. I don't even know what I just clicked on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Versus 2, you get 6 out of the 8 news impact being negative. Gold usually going to go up. So it's Tuesday. We'll look ahead. We got some more on Thursday. See you next week. Might be it for the month. We got some holidays going up. We get a little bit. What happened to that like final manufacturing stuff? And then we're on to the New Year's. All right, y'all. That's day 3 trades during a live during news release. So I'll update y'all on the rest. So this wasn't really too much analytics. It was just fundamentals. So I mean, we get some analytics here, right? You can see this gap here on this 1 hour, perfectly retraced there. These were some on the 2. I'm gonna keep that though because this one was 2 hour. That purple one was a 15-minute gap. You can kind of still see it. Bitcoin, there's this nice retracement off of this 4-hour balanced price range. We came perfectly, kind of went out. We missed it, targeting some highs here. So that would be like the FBG we would look for. Play back into at least this 93K. So we really want to see it get all the way up here. But we're not there yet. Didn't get that entry. We're still not into this. I'm going to see if I want to, if price gets down a little bit lower. Or in this trade here, we'll probably put this to break even. Just because, I'll just take profit. We'll see why. With all the good trades today, I don't see why we need to lose one on here. Which is, I didn't look at NASDAQ at all. I do too much. We'll see what it wants to do. NASDAQ, Bitcoin, gold, so forth, bro. So you see the dollar still dropping. Yeah. We'll see gold get up to that. That's that buy side liquidity. All right, y'all. On to day 4.